Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Yadav and today we are going to see database lab experiment number 4. So till now we have already made this table schemas and all the field these detailed details and already have solved some basic SQL programs queries. This time we are going to see further more advanced some queries, and here I have the spool file and I will be explaining more about it through this. So the first question is retrieve the name of the customer who booked the car. So like the last time, first name concatenation with space and last name, which should be distinct like for every user. So select distinct first name last name as name, the column name from the table customer details, which is LSE naming CD, and card detail, which is LSE named as CB, where customer from the customer detail table cust ID will be equal to custom car booking table customer ID. So if they are equal, so you have to print the distinct first name and last name. So here's the output. As we can see from the table customer, so we have 1 2 3 4, and from the table we can see from the main table 1 2 3 4, these are the people, and yeah, we got the right output. The second question is display the details of the car booking issued between 1st of Jan to 1st of December 2014. So the query is select everything from car booking where booking date should be greater than 1st Jan 2014 and booking date should be less than 1st December 2014. So this is detail of the cars booked, and here we have the two tables which are needed to just verify. The third question is display the name of the people who booked a luxury car. So we have to display the name. So first name concatenation with last name, and we will name it as name from the customer detail table and car booking table, where customer ID is equal to car booking ID and car ID equal to 101 or car ID equal to 105. We can also use the third table and have one more another condition, where condition, so we will get the same answer. Now the fourth question, display the name of the customer who have booked more than one car. So select first name from customer detail, which is LSC named C1, where 1 is greater than count of customer ID. So if if customer ID same customer ID is used more than once, so we will get the count more than one, and which will be displayed. So Alexandria has booked more than once. List down the customers who have not booked the car. So select first name from customer where customer ID not in this. So customer ID is not in the car booking, so we will get the result. And HCL as the company, it's not private, as you can see in the table, so it has not booked any car. Display the customer name starting with R, or R capital R small r. So we have to display the name. So first name concatenation with space and then last name. As name we have to display the name from customer detail, your first name for like R percentage. So anything starting with R, and it doesn't matter what's next. So we have Radhika Ram Mohan. The seventh question is find the top 3 bookings of a car. So as we have to use the top 3, so we are going to use row num. Select row num car ID from the count of car ID. So it will select count of car ID from booking from car booking table, and we have to group by car ID and order by count of car ID in descending order. So this will give us the top 3, and then we will make a where condition where row num is less than 3. So as we can see, this thing is in the from place, this is in the from the subquery. So that's why how can we can make top 3 bookings of a car. So we get the answer row num 1 2 3. Like every row has its own number, so this is that number. We can also use that serial number. The eighth question is list down the car details which are red in color. So select star from car details where color ID is red. So it will list down the car details. List down the brand name of the car which is mostly booked. So select star from car detail where car ID. So the car ID should match the car ID from. In from we have this subquery. So select car ID from car booking group by car ID where count of car ID in descending order. And now where we are using row num is 1. So the first, this only one which is mostly booked will be selected. That car ID will be selected. And when this car ID will match, then the car details will be printed. So the car which is mostly booked is this thing. Now we have list out the minimum price car and red in color. So it should be minimum and red in color. The query will be more or less same. Car details cd and price detail where cd dot car id equal to price detail dot car id. So this should be same, and base price per day should be minimum. So select minimum from price per day from. So now again from car details price details where color is red. So it should be red. So when these both conditions are satisfied, this price per day which gives the minimum and it is red in color, and car ID and price ID like it matches the car ID, then we have to display that. So here we have that Ford which is red in color and its car ID is 102. So that's all. Thank you for watching.